Now, guys have been asking me to do my budget ammo series with the Bergara BMR, so that's what we're going to do today. The only things that's been altered on this gun is the fact that it's got an Eric Cortina tuner, which if you haven't seen the video that shows the difference, you need to, and it's had a trigger job on it. And thanks to my buddy Mike for lending me this rifle to do this video. All right, here we go. All right, got her ready? Let's get this damn thing started. Come on, you contrary devil. Let's see what you got. Come on, baby. Yeah, decent start. All right, like two of them are close. I can't tell which two. Well, crap. It is what it is. All right, let's move to the next one. Federal gold medal. Come on, you. I'll get in there. Come on. Come on. You ham-headed son of a bitch. Ooh, I am not digging this ammunition. Holy shit. Or at least out of this gun. Maybe it'll do something in the other ones. Oh shit, that's just everywhere. Put a little note on this gun. Don't shoot that shit no more. Okay, baby, make daddy proud. There you go. I bragged on you too soon, son of a bitch. I'll kiss your ass. Be damned. Woo, you better do good when the high dollar ammo gets here. Believe that shit. Well, it's got one little wad, and then the rest of them are like shit. All right, come on, you funny-looking devil. Show me something. Okay. All right, then. Get on in there. You better get to shooting. That's what I get for bragging on your ass. Damn. The hell did that come from? Son of a bitch. Woo. You gonna mess around and get your ass traded. Okay, baby. Come on. Do something now. Come on. You got folks watching you on YouTube. Do something. You better close on that. Come on. Stay right in that little old group. Oh, you piece of shit. You prima donna bitch. You ain't gonna shoot nothing but the expensive stuff? I'll kiss your ass. Shit. I'm fouling this damn thing too. Damn it. All right, let's go. All right then. Show me something, boy. Don't let me jinx you. There you go. You good shooting bitch. It's about time you did something that don't fuck up this last one. Well, that was close enough. I'm going to give you a pass. Mwah. Okay, baby, don't let me down. We're starting to burn up good ammo now, and I wasted 5 fouling you. So shoot me a group. All right. All right there. Okay. God damn, it looks like I'm drawing Slender Man down there. Come on, man. You could do better shit than this. I said this shit's expensive now. Come on. You lightweight, no shooting fuck. Kiss your ass. That double group shit pisses me off. Keep going, keep going. Keep shooting, you motherfucker. I hear you, baby. Oh, damn. I'm gonna need to put that bullet back in there. We're shooting 5-shot groups. Get on back in there. Come on, you little hammerhead. Oh, you piece of shit. That wasn't me. And I done fouled this damn thing in. Damn you. Gus. Well, you did all right. No pressure. All right. Come on, finish it out. Finish it out. Finish him. That's all right. No. Okay. Don't matter if it hits high, as long as it'll group. Vertical string and steel. I like this Bergara, but it strings up and down, but you should have seen it before we put that Eric Cortina tuner on it.